Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Roblox if it is not installing and it won't install. Chapter 1. How to install Roblox if it is not installing and it won't install, disabling antivirus. To start, in the search box, enter Security. Open Windows Security. You will go to the section Virus and Threat Protection, and when you are there, click on the line Manage Settings. After this, disable the switch Real-Time Protection. You must click Yes to authorize. Now in the section Firewall and Network Protection, click on your current network. When accessing, disable the switch Microsoft Defender Firewall. You must authorize this process. Chapter 2. How to install Roblox if it is not installing and it won't install from executable. To start, in the search box, enter %app data %, click on File folder. There in App Data, open the local folder and then access the Roblox folder. Open the Versions folder and then you must access one of the folders available there. Finally, here run the Roblox Player Launcher file without errors. Chapter 3. How to install Roblox if it is not installing and it won't install, validating app status. In this case, from a browser, you can check the real-time status of Roblox to rule out that the error is a failure in the main servers. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.